That I have cut for two parts here, and now I will prepare the drainage at the bottom and also the hanging for lifting. So start to the small part and then mix with dry charcoal, sand of dry charcoal, 15% of dry cow dung. Mix together there. I use some cocoa husk at the bottom of the pot like this. Benefit of cocoa husk is water not stucking at the bottom of the pot. For pot. Now I start to prepare the pot soil, to ditching the soil like this, dark manure at the bottom of the soil hole, and then mixing like this. This is cabbage plant. I have sowing from seed into the egg pocket. Now I start to dig. Two. I can start to grow it into the pot. Put like this. Press the soil firmly like this. After growing the cabbage plant into the pot, it looks like this. remove out the grass. Fertilizer. This the garden soil mixed with dry hard charcoal and dry cow dung compost on the cabbage plant like this. Watering.